Hey everyone, welcome back to the Focus Android YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the song search feature on your Samsung device step by step. Let's get started. The first step, we need to access the quick panel. We slide from the top right to the bottom to display it. Then we need to pull down again here to reveal more quick feature. There you will find song search. If you don't find it, means you need to add it. Press the pencil symbol at the top, then press edit. Here you can touch and hold to move, and you can delete and also add from available button. Then press down in the top right corner, then press down again in the top right corner. Now we go back to song search. You just need to tap on it and bring your device close to the sound search of the song being played. Then this feature will automatically recognize the title of the song.